My name is Rev Barry King, and I'd like to share with you today a few simple truths that I've learned in my many years working with spirit. And one of those things, and I think it's actually pretty important, is that we're all psychic. We're all intuitive. We all have soul gifts. All of us. Because we are spirit. You are spirit. I am spirit. We're connected. The other thing that I think is really important is that whether you use tarot cards or pendulums or talking boards or any other tool for communication with the spirit realm and our higher selves, no matter what tool you're using, the tool is just a focal point. You are the instrument. You are what the information is working through. It's you, not the tool. The tools can feel good and can give us a focal point that's meaningful to us, but you are the tool. So when we work with people, we teach them how to work with spirit without tools. Well, that doesn't mean we don't occasionally use tools. We do. It's kind of fun. But we don't need them. You don't need them. We are connected. Anyway, to me that's a very simple and meaningful thing to know when I'm trying to understand it. Thank you for letting me share with you today.